Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to SAMHub solution. We are going to help you how to add credit automatically. You can see here the option add credit option and buy credit option. Login after you can see this option. You can select any one option. If you click on the buy credit or add credit from anywhere, you can add the credit automatically. We are going to click on the add credit first. You can see here the Binance Pay automatically selected. You have to select this option if you selected any other option. So you have to select this must. Then write here your amount, how much you want to add, 200 or 50,000 or any amount you can write in here. We are going to add 10 and show you what is the procedure. Click on the submit. You can see the QR code. Before scan the QR code, you have to follow all the steps. You can see here the set to open Binance app and QR code and enter the 6-digit code. You can see the 6-digit code. Every time you can see the new code for your every payment. You have to write this on the note section and you have to pay this amount exactly. For every payment you have to pay 0.8 cent is the fee. So you have to pay for any amount. It is the 10 or 10,000. You have to select in here how much you have to pay. To get automatically. Any other amount will not be processed automatically. You can see here the note option. So we are going to add. You can see how to add. Go to the Binance. Go to Binance. You can see here the Binance option and QR code. Scan the QR code. You can see add note. You have to write the code that you can see in here 6-digit. Must you have to add on the note section. (9DC) 557. Confirm. And write the amount. That amount you can see in here 10.08. 10.08. You can see we have added the note and amount at the exactly that we can see in here 10.08 and note also. Tap on the continue. Confirm. You can see payment success. Successfully we have completed the 10 credit sent from Binance. We can check our balance right now. We have to click on the check payment right now. Check payment. When you click on the check payment, it will be automatically added. You can see we have got mail from SAMHub that it is automatically successfully added. Payment successfully added. Invoice number also. We can check it from our balance or from here invoice by client. You can check it automatically added. Thanks for watching my video and I hope this video will be helpful for you to add the fund.